Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One Fusion Plus, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, you want to go into the settings. From here, scroll down to storage. Choose your SD card. Let's go through files. Tap on the three dots and go to storage settings, where you will see the format option. Tap on it and it will pop up with the message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there is anything like photos, videos, music that you might want to keep, you might want to back it up on your PC or somewhere. Otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Format SD card. The process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one. It takes a couple seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, like it is right now. Tap on done and you're finished with the process. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.